Hey there everybody, welcome back to Rear Engine Shop. We're finally over 1,000 subscribers.
That's pretty neat.
Actually, we can check right now and we can see where we're at. As of right now, we're at 1,081 subscribers.
Holy shnikes.
I gotta thank Jeff from Winged Horse Garage for getting me over the 1,000. He posted something on the Fiero Facebook group about people subscribing to the channel to get us over 1,000, and it actually worked.
How neat is that?
Without his help, wouldn't have made it there as fast. So it's been a pretty good 2021. We added toolboxes here to the shop. We've added some shop supplies to the shop. We've picked up extra projects. We had Super Clean send us some stuff to try out. We even went to a car show. It's a pretty successful year. So I figured we'd take a look back in this video at some of those things that we've done, some highlights, some stupid funny videos that I did. And then, yeah, we'll look forward to next year. I got a lot of plans for next year. We got a lot of projects here in the shop I want to get finished. Got a lot of car shows that I want to go to. I want to go drag racing next year. I want to drive my red 88 Fiero more next year. So you need to stay tuned because we have a lot more on the way and it should be really fun. And I appreciate everybody for being here and watching the videos. So with that being said, let's look at some of the stuff we did this year. Hope you guys sit back and enjoy, even though none of these are actually rear engine. Don't know who named this channel. But anyway, thanks again for being here, guys, and I will see you on the next video. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're out here in the shop. When I was going through my pile of parts, I found these frame oil filters. And these are awesome filters because you can use them to practice making it into your trash can. I can't believe I just made that. I got another one too. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you son of a...
It's turned off for some reason.
Because you're hitting the wrong button to turn it on. There you go, you're filming.
Bye-bye. Okay.
You're recording right now.
I want to film that.
Well, then go over there.
You definitely need to put this in the video.
Do ya?
Uh-huh.
Because I was so grateful for all the help I got from Mark Clay that I decided, well, you know, the stuff that isn't, you know, 3,800 swaps.
All right, not sure how many of you guys listen to Fear. We'll be recording right here shortly. If you remember a couple months ago,
And like you said, 15 minutes or less.
Oh yeah, well 15 minutes at the most, honestly. I mean, unless you could make, just watch Ronald. I don't know if he was going through.
Ronald Finger?
Yeah, I never seen.
Yeah, he restored them.
I want to wait until he opens this engine. That's what I really want to film.
Here, bud.
Is he going to push that down? Do you think that car runs?
Yeah, it runs. Have you ever been rushing trying to get your project finished so you can get out to do what you want to do and you trip over your favorite motorcycle helmet and you spill oil all over the place. Well, dang, that's gonna take forever to clean up. Not today, not with Super Clean, Super Floor Absorbent. You just pour this baby on that spill, it soaks it right up, you can clean it up fast, and you can get on to what you really wanna be doing. Riding your motorcycle. Find Super Clean at your closest automotive retailer. Did I forget to mention, this stuff is virtually dust-free. So there you have it, guys. That's using the Super Clean wheel and tire cleaner and the foaming degreaser on my 81 Turbo Trans Am project. So if you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment if you have anything to say, good or bad, whichever. Go ahead and subscribe. It's free to do, it would help me out. Be cool to get to 1,000 subscribers. I don't know, maybe we'll have more projects. Like we need more projects. But I guess if I buy more projects, it doesn't matter if I complete the other projects. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. All right, there you go. Driver's side's on. It's gravity bleeding. Now we just have to hope it clears 16-inch wheels after it gravity bleeds here a little bit. Son of a biscuit. Well, crap. There's a certain level of frustration that I'm at right now. You can see the caliper back there, and it is hitting on the wheel when I try to push the wheel on all the way. This is my life. Anyway, but there you have it, 1981 Turbo Trans Am. Let's get to work on the car and get to work on our mullet.
Grandma Shan.
You want to go see her? How bad?